finally, chips night.
Dig in, everyone.
The journey of potato, from farm to chips.
We should be ready to start planting by tomorrow morning. The soil moisture is perfect.
Agreed. The forecast looks good too.
See how evenly it spaces them out.
That should maximize our yield this season.
This emergence looks strong about 20 days in.
Yeah. The leaves are vibrant green. This row is very healthy.
Growth regulators seem effective. Very healthy foliage density. The camera reveals the hidden process beneath the soil. Potatoes develop as swellings on the stolons.
This one's ready for stacking.
Watch the flow, get another crate.
Right here, quickly.
Stack that one higher.
Careful, watch the belt speed. Quality check on table 3. Keep that conveyor moving, we're falling behind.
We need more empty crates up front.
He's clear on this side. Woo!
Back it up 10 feet more.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now.
A little closer to the right, watch that bollard.
All right, hold it right there. Stop.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep it straight. That's good. Hold it right there.
Okay, clear on the right. Set the brake.
Keep the line moving. We need to clear this bay.
Got it. Stacking the chips now.
Here you go. Enjoy your chips. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Here are your chips, folks.
Thank you. We were looking forward to these.
Yeah, looks delicious.
Wow, these are so good.
I love the flavor. Wow, look at these chips. Let's get them set up on the table.
Wow, these are so good.
Careful, your father's gonna eat them all.
Hey, save some for me.